So people ask me all the time, okay, Erica, how do I get my house looking photo ready for when I put it on the market? Well, I have some answers. Let me give you a few tips. So I have a little trick that I do when I'm preparing or thinking about what needs to be removed when preparing a house for photos. I call it the squint. And so what I do is I look at a room, but I squint. And the purpose of the squint is to kind of bring in and focus almost like a tunnel vision, to critically walk across the room with my eyes. And I'm doing that because I want to see, where does my eye get interrupted? If I do a sweep across the room with my eyes, what hangs up? What catches my eye? What stops? What breaks the viewpoint for me? I'll show you an example. So here, I'm sweeping across this kitchen. Open space, countertops. See how that tall vase interrupted the sweep of our eyes? Let me show you another one. So again, with the squint, kind of critically looking at this bedroom. Everything is pretty neutral. I can see the room. It's not about the furniture. It's about the space in the room. And then, boom. See this dark pillow? How it stops your eye? Otherwise, you would just sweep across. Okay, one more example in this bathroom. Neutral colors. There is a decorative element, but it kind of fades away because it's white on a white countertop. As you can see, we have blonde colored cabinets. Everything is pretty neutral. I've got a white curtain, but do you see it? Right there in the corner. It's decorative, it's lovely, but it kind of stopped my eye. Okay, so the squint. That is one tip of many that we have for getting your home ready for sale. And really, the more time, care, and attention you pay to the prep before the photographer comes, before we get it on the market, literally it translates into dollars. You'd be amazed. There have been so many times where I, Erika Page, and my partner, Tami Goodwin, have received a listing. Maybe it was something somebody else tried to sell, they couldn't sell it, and we come in and we kind of refresh. And usually refresh is really remove a bunch of things, and then boom, within 5 days, it's on the market. We get new photos, we get professional photos always. We get the property professionally cleaned many times, and we get it nice and shiny, ready to go, and boom, boom, boom. After we send it out to our database of VIP buyers, and if we also have to take it public, but we can almost guarantee that property is gonna be under contract, usually within 5 days. Our average is 21 days. So that's one of the tips. I got more in the series of how to get your house prepped for sale and also to get top dollar. So follow us for more and make sure to DM me if you have any questions about your specific property. Again, I'm Erika Page with the Luxury Living International team.